gonna try our hand at some Birria tacos. Bay leaf there, oregano, anchovies, guajillos, and don't come from my Spanish. Arbol, guajillo. Alright, this is what the sauce is looking like before. Got all the fresh ingredients in there. There we go. And that's gonna cook down. So it's come to a boil. All the aromatics in there. And it's gonna cool, then it's gonna go in the blender.
So we got the meat in there, trendsetters. Let it cook down. All the season, blended everything up. We'll see how it's gonna come out.
So we're frying the birria tacos now. You have to fold that all the way over. There you go, press it down. Alright. Perfecto.
Tell me if I'm doing it right, Alberto. Birria taco. Birria taco. But there's the consomme. The shredded meat and the cheese. Oh no, I ain't sure. Yeah, these are small cups we got right here. The consomme right here. Everything in it blended up. Let me know if I'm doing it right, man.
It tastes better than the place we went to. I think that tastes better than the ones at Bon Bon because it's got all that. It's got the spice in it. Yeah, look, we getting red. It's that spice.
Spicy. Dang. You can sell these, y'all.